Hey guys, today we are going to unbox one special product. You can see here's the iQOO Z9S smartphone, guys. Today in this video, we are going to do unboxing of this smartphone only. Let's come on, guys. And here's the Z9S. And okay, guys, here you can see here's the box. And guys, actually, I purchased this product in Flipkart at rupees a cost of 17,592 with including some bank discount. I am using Axis Bank credit card, so I got some discount in this smartphone actually. Let's come on, guys. It's now time to do unboxing. Yeah, let's come on. And okay, guys. First thing we need to remove this tape first. Let's take it out. Okay. And now it's time to do unboxing. Yeah, let's come on. Just I'm opening this box. And here you can see, guys, here's the iQOO Z9S smartphone. Actually, guys, this smartphone, the screen size is 6.77 inch with a 3D curved display actually, and this variant is 8 GB RAM and 120 GB ROM, guys. And there is another variant is also there, like 12 GB RAM variant is also there, guys, with 256 GB and all. Like different variants is there in this smartphone. And this smartphone is powered by Mediatek Dimensity 7300 processor, guys. It's a good processor actually. And okay, let's first let's come on. Just we will first. And actually this is a green color, guys. You can see here's the green color. Here's the main camera lens is there. And okay, guys, just keep this smartphone aside. Just open this box and let's see first what are all the things they have given inside this box. And the first thing is the case, guys. Here's the transparent case for this smartphone from iQOO side. They are providing inside this box itself. It's good thing, and case is also it's good, very good. Here you can see the quality is also very good. And next thing is a warranty card. You can see here's the warranty card of this smartphone. Okay, let's keep this aside. And quick start guide is there. And one good thing is in this iQOO box itself, they are providing a charger, guys. This 44-watt fast charging is there for this smartphone. 44-watt fast charging support is there for this smartphone. It's good. There's a power adapter is also there. One good thing is they are providing a power adapter too. Okay, let's keep this aside and just take this cable out. And here you can see here's the Type-C cable. One side USB and another side is Type-C. It's good. Just keep this as it is. And next is the SIM ejector tool, guys. You can see here's the SIM ejector pin for this smartphone. Okay, let's keep this aside. And nothing, guys, then nothing inside this box. That's it. Okay, let's keep this box aside. Now it's time to remove this sticker. It's not a sticker, it's a cover. We need to remove this cover. It's now time to remove this cover. Let's come on, guys. It's very tight, you can see. You can see actually I have pressed the power button, it's turning on, seems. Okay, let's keep this, take this aside. Yeah, it's came. Guys, you can see actually it looks very stylish. And here you can see, guys, actually it's look very stylish, guys. The smartphone is very stylish. Here you can see it's some kind of a glassy, some kind of a glass finish actually. And here's the branding logo is here, and here's the camera is there, guys. And there's a primary camera is there. It is a 50 MP camera. And in this camera, they are using a Sony IMAX 882 sensor with OIS, optical image stabilization is there, and another one is a 2 MP bokeh camera actually. Okay, not only that, in front camera, it has a 16 MP camera, guys. It's good, and processor is also good in this smartphone. And this is a AMOLED display guys with 6.77 inch size, and 4 is also very slim guys. Actually you can see it's very light too. Okay, and in this smartphone they're using a FunTouch OS, FunTouch OS in iQOO. Let's come on. Okay, now it's time to start. Just click on English, and where is India? I'm from India, so I need to select India first. Okay, it's based on language, it seems. Okay, okay, English and it itself. Okay, just click start. India, yes, just click next. Okay, we need to agree this terms and conditions. I will do the setup later guys. Just set up offline, continue. Google services, if you need means you can enable or disable this kind of settings guys, that's your wish. Okay, click next and accept. And these things I will do this kind of setups later, just skip. And if you need this means you can agree or disagree, that's your wish guys. Later I will agree this and all. Okay, service accommodations, next. And this is the system navigation mode guys, and you can set up anything. And this is a 3-button navigation, this is a gesture navigation, that's your wish guys. You can set up, just I am selecting now 3-button navigation. Just click next, and here you can see FunTouch OS. Congratulations, you are all set up. It's now time to get started. Let's go on. Okay, it's booting up, it's good. No sign in needed. Okay, just close this. Actually the display's look is very stylish guys. It's very slim actually. You can see how slim it is with the 3D curved display. Actually it has a curved display, that's good thing. Okay, it's good. And phone is also very smooth guys, it's good. Let's open a camera. Actually camera is also very good guys. You can see the clarity, it's awesome actually, it's good. Okay, let's come back, let's clear all of this. Okay, it looks very stylish. Actually the smartphone is most worthy smartphone guys. And not only this guys, there's an inbuilt fingerprint sensor is also there guys in this smartphone Z9S. And the design is completely awesome guys. You can see it's very slim, and the screen display, this curved display is very good. It looks very good actually, it's a good thing. Okay, and okay guys, regarding this video that's all. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're having any questions, ask in the comment section. I will reply as soon as possible. And okay guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos guys like this. And okay guys, bye. I will see you in next video.